Hello there, today I am going to explain about possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is nothing but it replaces a possessive adjective plus noun to avoid repeating information. And also, it is used to indicate a possession or ownership. For example, this pen is my pen, not your pen. So it sounds repeating. Now, we are avoiding repeating information. It looks like this pen is mine, not yours. So focus on it. It sounds more natural. Like this, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, etc. These all belongs to a possessive pronouns. Here are some of examples. Here a possessive adjectives are there and possessive pronouns are there. You can easily compare them. First one, this bike is my bike. So in this sentence is correct but not natural because we are repeating the same noun. But in the possessive pronoun, it looks this bike is mine. So it looks natural. Next, that car is your car. In the possessive pronouns, that car is yours. So it's natural. Next, this is my sister's book. In the possessive pronouns, it's hers. Our bird is noisy. The bird is ours. Their house is very big. In the possessive pronoun, the house is theirs. Thank you.